Hello students, now in unit 2 second chapter you have studied about your uh, first concept, that is nothing but a concept of feedback. You have gone through the definition of feedback, then we went for concept of feedback. In definition of feedback you have studied that it is nothing but a output quantity. Part of the output is again injected back to the input is known as feedback is said to be exits. Then we went for our concept of feedback topic, that is the first topic in your chapter 2. In that topic we have seen the diagram of feedback. In that diagram we have seen the basic blocks, the sampler, basic amplifier, then mixer and feedback network. Okay. So first we have started the operation with the basic sampler. Sampler will be sampling the quantity, whether it is voltage or current. Then it will pass to the feedback network. Feedback network will do the fraction of the output and it will pass to the phi f, that is nothing but phi f. It will pass to the mixer. Mixer will do what? It will mix with the external signal source. Then after mixing it will pass to the basic amplifier. Basic amplifier will do what? It will be like basic amplifier will take that feedback and it will be giving us different formulas. What I said you have to remember that formulas. First formula what we have done, gain. Gain is nothing but input by output, phi I by output by input, phi naught by phi I. Then we went for beta. Beta is nothing but phi f by beta is nothing but feedback fraction. So beta is nothing but feedback fraction that will be indicated by phi f by phi naught. And then we went for the feedback formula with gain. Gain with feedback we went AF equal to, finally AF is nothing but phi naught by phi S. S means what? External signal source. Gain with feedback. Now this particular formula you have to remember compulsory. Remember this formula. Sorry. Phi naught by phi naught by phi naught by phi s. Gain with feedback formula. Okay. Phi naught by phi s. That is phi naught by phi s is nothing but gain with feedback formula. This you have to remember. Now second topic we are starting in our third unit, second chapter. Second topic is types of feedback. Okay, second topic is nothing but, our next topic is nothing but types of feedback. Okay, now we have learned the feedback. Okay, and then we went for concept of feedback. Now we are having types of feedback. So there are two types of feedback: positive feedback, and next one is negative feedback. Okay, there are two types of feedback. First one is what? Positive feedback, and next one is what? Negative feedback. So first we are taking positive feedback side. Okay, what is the definition of positive feedback? Okay, now there are how many types of feedback? There are two types of feedback. First one is positive feedback, second one is negative feedback. So we are first dealing with what? Positive feedback. Okay, now what is this positive feedback indicates? Okay, what is the definition of positive feedback? Now we will be learning. Okay, positive feedback definition. Now, definition of positive feedback. We are dealing with definition of positive. The positive feedback is nothing but what? It is also known as regenerative. Okay. Second name of positive feedback is what? Regenerative. Okay. Now, in positive feedback, as the input increases, output will also increase. Okay. In positive feedback, what is the definition? In positive feedback, if the input voltage is applied to the, basic amplifier, okay, when the input voltage is applied to the basic amplifier, what will happen? Output will increase. Gain will also increase. This type of feedback is known as what? Positive feedback. And it is also known as what? Regenerative feedback. Okay. When the input voltage is applied to the basic amplifier. Okay. When the input voltage is applied to the basic amplifier, what will happen? It will increases the output. Okay. And it will increases the overall gain also. This type of feedback is known as what? Positive feedback. Positive feedback definition is nothing but what? The positive feedback is also known as what? It is also known as regenerative. Okay. Now, positive feedback will be indicated by negative symbol. Remember this. When you will solve the derivation of gain with positive feedback, it will be indicating with negative symbol, negative sign symbol. Positive feedback means negative sign symbol. Remember this. Negative feedback means positive sign symbol. Okay. So you have to remember, positive sign means negative feedback. Negative sign means positive feedback. Remember this. Now, what is the definition? Just now we have read. We have read positive feedback. There are how many types of feedback? Two feedbacks. One is positive, another one is negative. Positive, what is the definition? When the input voltage is applied to the basic amplifier, it will increase exponentially the output. Exponentially it will increase the output voltage. This type of feedback is known as what? Positive feedback or regenerative feedback. Okay, positive feedback or regenerative feedback. Okay, positive feedback or regenerative feedback. So what is the definition of a positive feedback? When the input voltage is applied to the basic amplifier, it will increases the output voltage exponentially. This type of feedback is known as what? Positive feedback or regenerative feedback. Okay. Now, when you are solving this positive feedback derivation, it will be indicated by what sign? Minus sign. Remember this. It will be indicated by which sign? Minus sign. Okay. So now, and for negative feedback, it will be indicated by what sign? Plus sign. Okay. Remember this. It is like quite opposite here. That feedback symbol with positive is like positive feedback means negative symbol of sign. Negative feedback means positive sign. It will be indicated by positive sign. Remember this. Now we are going to derive the derivation of positive feedback. Okay. For deriving the derivation of positive feedback, what I said you have to remember the formula AF equal to phi naught by phi s. Remember this. AF equal to Feedback with gain equal to phi naught by phi s. Now we will drive. Now we are driving the derivation for voltage gain in positive feedback. Positive feedback. Okay, it is indicated by AF. Okay, what is the basic formula? I said you to remember phi naught by phi s. Okay, feedback with gain, what I said you to remember, phi naught by phi s. Now you have remembered this in our concept of feedback. Phi I equal to phi naught phi s plus or minus phi f. Wait. Phi f plus or minus phi s. Okay, this is the this equation also you remember in concept of feedback we have learned this equation. Phi I equal to phi f plus or minus phi s. From this you take out what is phi s. Okay, what is the value of phi s you should take out. Phi s will be becoming what now? Phi s equal to phi I minus phi f. Because why I am writing minus? Why I am choosing minus here? Okay, why I am choosing minus? Because here it is which feedback? Positive feedback. Positive feedback means which sign? What I said you, which sign? Negative sign. So what I will do, instead of phi s, I will write this equation here. Okay, phi I minus phi f phi naught. Okay, in this equation instead of phi s I am writing this phi I minus phi s. Okay, after writing, what we will do, we will divide the above numerator and denominator by phi naught. Phi naught divided by phi naught by phi I by phi naught, phi f by phi naught. Okay. Now what this will become? Obviously it will become 1. What this will become? Gain formula is what? Output by input. But here we are having what? Output by input. But here what we are having? Here we are having what? Phi I by phi naught. So what I can write? Instead of A, I can write it 1 by A. Yeah. What is phi I by phi naught? In our concept we have learned beta. Okay. In concept we have learned what is phi naught by phi f is nothing but beta. So I will substitute here beta. Okay, beta value is this. Then after substituting, what I will get here? A will go up, 1 minus A beta is the final formula for your positive feedback voltage gain. Okay, is the final formula for your positive feedback voltage gain. Okay, so it is very simple. What I have done here, it is easy also. You can see simply for driving the derivation, once again I am telling you. What are the things you should keep in your mind? I will tell you. Okay. Now, what are the formulas you should remember means? You should remember AF equal to phi naught by phi s. Okay. Then you should remember here what is gain formula? Phi naught by phi I. What is beta formula? Phi naught by phi f. And what is the signal we are getting from mixer? In last two topic we have seen phi naught plus or minus phi s. Okay, these equations you have to remember. Then you can solve the equation for positive feedback voltage gain. equation for positive feedback voltage gain. Okay, now what we can what I have to write here, positive feedback means it is negative only. Okay, obviously what I should write here, phi naught, I should write the phi s value. From this equation I will get phi s. Phi s is equals to, positive feedback means this symbol minus phi I minus phi f. Okay, I will write this. Instead of phi s, I will write this now. Phi I minus phi f. Then divide this equation by phi naught. This is phi naught. Divide it. Phi naught by phi naught by phi I by phi naught minus phi f by phi naught. Okay. Then what you will get? This will become what? 1. And what is this formula? Phi I by phi naught. But gain formula is what? Output by input. Instead of A, I will write here 1 by A. Because it is opposite. Input is coming first, output is coming second. So it is opposite. I am writing. What is this? Beta. Beta is nothing but this. What I will do? Cross multiply. A will go up, 1 minus A beta. Is the formula for positive feedback. Okay? 1 minus A beta is the formula for positive feedback. Okay? Now we are going for the negative feedback. Okay? Positive feedback formula is A equal to A by 1 minus A beta. Now we will go for negative feedback. So negative feedback definition. Now negative feedback we will do. In negative feedback definition, negative feedback is also known as degenerative. Okay, negative feedback is nothing but what? Degenerative. Positive feedback is regenerative, negative feedback is degenerative. Now how you will define the negative feedback definition? When the input voltage is applied to the basic amplifier, the output decreases exponentially. In positive feedback, output will increases, but in negative feedback, output will decreases exponentially. Since it is decreasing exponentially, gain will also reduce. This type of feedback is known as what? Negative feedback or degenerative feedback. Okay. Now once again I am telling what is negative feedback definition. Negative feedback definition means when the input voltage is applied to the basic amplifier, the output voltage decreases exponentially. Okay. Since it will decrease exponentially, what is happening here? What will happen? Voltage gain will also reduce. Because of this, it is known as negative feedback. Okay. Now we have to calculate the voltage. In negative feedback, everything will be decreased. When the input voltage is applied to the basic amplifier, the output voltage will decreases exponentially. This type of feedback, what is happening? It will also reduces the voltage gain. This type of feedback is known as what? Negative feedback. Then we have to go for next. Negative feedback is also known as what? Degenerative. Okay. Now what is the definition is over. Now we will go for the next. That is nothing but voltage gain in negative feedback. Derivation. For doing derivation, you have to remember this. AF equal to phi naught by phi s. Phi s. AF equal to phi naught by phi s. What is the s value we got? This. From this equation. But here plus. Why we are dealing with plus? Because it is negative feedback. But when it is positive feedback, it is negative. When it is negative feedback, it is positive. So instead of phi s, I will write this phi I plus phi f. Okay, you can write. Now I am writing phi naught equal to phi I plus phi f. Then divide this equation with phi naught. Phi naught divided by phi naught. Then phi I by phi naught plus negative feedback means plus phi naught. What is this now? This will become 1. And what is this now? A. What I will write here? 1 by A. Plus. What is this now? Beta. Beta. I will do cross multiplication. A by 1 plus A beta. This is the formula for negative feedback. In negative feedback, what you got? In negative feedback, what you got? That plus symbol. Plus symbol means what? Output, like plus means negative feedback. Or negative means positive feedback. Opposite you will get here. Okay. So by this we have finished our second topic of your unit 3 second chapter. That is nothing but our concept of feedback is over. Then types of feedback. In types of feedback we have studied 2 types, positive, negative. In that, positive means as the output as we are applying the input, output will also increase. Positive is indicated by minus symbol and negative is indicated by plus symbol. In negative, what we have studied, as the input voltage is applied to the basic amplifier, the output will decreases and voltage gain will also reduce. This type of feedback is known as what? Negative feedback. And formula for negative feedback, AF equal to A by 1 plus A beta. Okay. By this we have finished our second topic of your unit 3 second chapter. Okay. Next class I will be dealing with the third topic of your unit 3 second chapter. Okay.